Hi everyone, welcome to the channel and welcome to day 8 of the daily objective question series for NABARD Phase 2. I hope your preparations are going well. Only 18 days are left for the Phase 2 exam and I wish you all the best. If you feel like you need guidance for the descriptive answer writing, please check out the courses that are offered by Clarity for Sure. So there are separate courses, a complete mentorship, a separate English descriptive course, and a separate course of test series itself. So in this test series, you will get both subjective and objective tests with evaluation. And if you feel like you need more guidance and if you have any query, please drop a mail at c4scourses@gmail.com. And for further updates, please follow the Telegram channel Clarity for Sure. With that, let's start with today's question. So today marks the 10th anniversary. So today, October 2nd, 2024, marks the 10th anniversary of this scheme of a transformative cleanliness mission aimed at improving sanitation and hygiene in rural areas across the country. This initiative, which is being implemented by the Dash, started with a focus on eliminating open defecation and has now expanded into the second phase from Dash to Dash. The mission now emphasizes managing solid and liquid waste to ensure long term cleanliness. After achieving the status of ODF, the next step involves elevating the villages to higher cleanliness standards by implementing effective waste management systems and promoting visual cleanliness. Villages are categorized based on their progress in managing waste and maintaining cleanliness. To achieve this, villages are classified as Dash, where both solid and liquid waste management systems are in place, and Dash, where complete cleanliness is observed with minimum litter, no stagnant wastewater, and visible cleanliness across the village. So, I hope you understood the scheme. It is Swachh Bharat Mission Gramin. So, we have completed 10 years of Swachh Bharat Mission. And the first question is, the Government of India approved the phase 2 of Swachh Bharat Mission Gramin to focus on the sustainability of ODF status and to cover the villages with solid and liquid waste management. That would transform villages from ODF to ODF plus. Which ministry administers the Swachh Bharat Mission Gramin? So, it is being implemented by Ministry of Jal Shakti. Next, what is the duration of the implementation of Swachh Bharat Mission Gramin phase 2? So this scheme was approved in February 2020. So it is from 2020-21 to 24-25. An ODF plus village is defined as a village which sustains its ODF status, ensures solid and liquid waste management, and is visually clean. So there are three progressive stages of ODF plus village. A village which is sustaining its ODF status and has arrangements for both solid waste management and liquid waste management comes under which stage? So it comes under ODF plus rising. Next, a village which is sustaining its ODF status and has arrangements for both solid waste management and liquid waste management observes visual cleanliness, that is minimal litter, minimal stagnant wastewater, no plastic waste dumped in public places, and displays ODF plus information, education, and communication messages. This comes under which stage? So this village comes under ODF plus model village. So under Swachh Bharat Mission Gramin 2.2, the ODF plus village, there are three progressive stages. That is ODF plus aspiring, which has either solid waste management or liquid waste management. ODF plus rising, which has both solid waste and liquid waste management. And a ODF plus model village, which has both solid and liquid waste management. And also it is visually clean. And mandatory third party verification of a village within 90 days of the ODF plus declaration for the first time. And this third party verification will be undertaken only for ODF plus model villages. And for other categories, it will be done by respective officers. Next. So this question is based on Swachh Bharat Mission Urban. The continuation of the Swachh Bharat Mission Urban was approved with a focus on sustaining the achievements made in urban sanitation. The scheme with a financial outlay of Dash will run until 25-26. The mission aims to achieve 100% scientific management of municipal solid waste and ensure that no untreated wastewater pollutes water bodies. Additionally, all statutory towns will be required to achieve at least dash status, while cities with a population of less than 1 lakh will aim for dash status. Other key components include complete liquid waste management, source segregation, and remediation of the legacy waste dump sites to further enhance urban cleanliness and solid waste management in cities across India. Questions are: what is the total financial outlay for SBM Urban 2.0? So it is 1,41,600 crores. Under SBM Urban, all statutory towns will be required to achieve at least dash status by 25-26. So the aim is to achieve at least ODF plus status. Under Swachh Bharat Mission Urban 2.0, cities with a population of less than 1 lakh will aim for complete liquid waste management. What is the fund sharing pattern between the center and states for cities with a population between 1 lakh and 10 lakhs under SBM Urban 2.0? So for cities with a population between 1 lakh and 10 lakh, it is 33:67. And for cities with million plus population, it is 25:75. With cities with less than 1 lakh population, it is 50:50. With UTs without legislature, it is 100. And for UTs with legislature, it is 80:20. And for northeastern states and Himalayan states, it is 90:10. Which of the following statements about ODF is correct? It focuses on the operation and maintenance of community or public toilets. Not a single person should be found defecating and or urinating in the open at any point of the day. So this is ODF. It is declared if there is no discharge or dumping of untreated fecal sludge or septage and sewage in drains, water bodies, or open areas. Emphasis on mechanized cleaning of septic tanks and sewers. So here answer is all of the above because ODF itself has the components of ODF plus and ODF. Next. Which of the following statements about water plus certification under SBM is correct? It focuses solely on the construction of public toilets in urban areas. It mandates that all cities must have 100% waste segregation at the source. Wastewater treatment and its optimum reuse. It is only applicable to rural areas with high levels of groundwater pollution. It focuses on providing safe drinking water to all households. So here option C is correct, that is wastewater treatment and its optimum reuse. So that was it about Swachh Bharat Mission Urban. So here I have given about ODF, ODF plus and water plus. Under ODF++, there will be emphasis on mechanized cleaning of septage tanks and sewers, safe collection and treatment of used water, as well as safe management of fecal sludge. And under Water Plus, the focus is on collection, transportation, treatment, and reuse of both used water and fecal sludge to prevent environmental pollution. So that was it for today, guys. I hope you liked this video, and thank you so much for watching.